Hi guys, welcome back to Marantz Rantz. Plenty of good information, a little bit of motivation, a whole lot of truth, no financial advice. Shout out to everyone. I will be live tomorrow morning. I know I've been live these last 2 days, I've been stuck, but I have been watching the stock. I've been watching GameStop battle back, finish green today. What a strong stock. Guys, look at the run it had in the middle of the day. Couldn't touch it. There was a volume candle there, about 93,000 shares straight back and forth. But I'll tell you what, at 3.25 million, that's nothing. There's no volume whatsoever. It's dry. It's beautiful. And that means if you put a little volume on it and if you start buying it, you're going to push the stock up. So 24.58, this is great. This is right where you want to be. We're building up a new level of support. As I look back to it, I want to go to the daily chart. Here you go. So this is your daily chart. And I know this is on a linear chart, but we'll go to log. So as we're looking at the log and you're going to look here, you're within this new bracket here. And we're falling right into the wedge itself, breaking out somewhere around the realm of earnings for third period after the fact. So we'll get through these next couple of months and we'll see how it fares out this second quarter. Remember, I love the fact that software is being pushed through the roof right now, whether it be Zelda, Street Fighter, Final Fantasy, and Diablo 4. I saw the new consoles came out, and if you guys didn't see the new consoles, you guys got to get down to your nearest GameStop. I know a lot of people are shopping there, but the new consoles are actually paired up, not with God of War this time, but with Diablo 4. So I'm excited about it. Either way, people are shopping. I saw people buying the Forza game as well. So back to software sales being huge this time of the year. You know, it is summertime. Kids are home. They want games. And yes, they can download them if they want to. But if you still want the physical copies, obviously, we go with GameStop. And I'm not even going to talk about Player or the NFT marketplace or the other things that are going on with the company. We'll let all those play out in real time. We'll see where we end up. But I love the balance sheet. I look at $50 million swing for this quarter alone. That's just based off of the SG&A. It's not even based off of margins and what we could be seeing. I know interest rates are where they're at, and people are looking at housing, and it's more favorable right now. The fact that they're not building or they're not selling, you know, pre-owned homes, they're actually building new homes. So I want you to look at the macro front, really, and the fact that they're actually building apartment complexes everywhere as well, because people are more prone to rent right now. There's a whole thing that's connected with this as far as rates and where the market's going to go and how it's still remaining flat. You know, S&P still held up pretty high, but at some point in quarter three, I expect it to retrace back down about 10%. So that'd be 40 points off of it. So if it's not 10 points, well, then it's going to stay flat around the fours, low fours. But if that's the case, GameStop holding at 24.58, new level of support where we're at. And then, of course, you can push out with the S&P as it goes through. So it might drag the whole market through with it. We'll figure it out. We'll pay attention to it. But what a hell of a run to have, you know, the beginning of the week. So Jim Cramer, keeping eyes on this damn stock. Keep posting pictures that we're going to blame the former CEO. But how about I blame the current CEO? Blame him for everything I love. I will put this out there, guys, because I want to put it out in the universe so people hear it. I've said it before, and I'm going to say it again. GameStop's new CEO, if they ever name one, I want Mark Vadden. Okay, that's who I want. I don't know if he's on the table. I don't know if it's a reality. But if you don't know who he is, please do your homework. That's the individual I want. We'll see how it all works out. But I want Mark Vadden, and I'm putting it out there right now. It is June 20th, like I said, Mark Vadden for GameStop. That's if we're ever going to go that route. He is exactly what we need and who we need. If you don't know who he is, go look at the other videos I've ever made about him. And lastly, I want to make the submission to you guys. I have not done this before on the stream. This is something that I'm actually going to say for the first time out loud, because I've been lying to you guys. I don't want to tell you the truth. So, man, for about 2.5 years now, I've been lying on YouTube, and I've been telling you guys that I would not jeopardize my investment in GameStop. And it's a complete lie, because last month I did. I actually was pulled over for speeding, and I got a ticket. And I had not had a speeding ticket in about 25 years. So that's a problem for me. Well, about 22 years. Problem for me because that was money that I was going to put towards GameStop. And it sucks because I shouldn't be speeding. I told you I wouldn't jeopardize my investment that way. But the cop got me. What can I say? All right, nerds. I'm out. I'll see you in the morning. Peace.